Oh, wait, I already did this. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom into the future. Mita, my love. Wait, I'm so confused. Mita? Mita. Mita? Mita. Mita? Mita. Mita? Mita. Mita? Mita. 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 Mita? You need to ensure this prototype is the right one. First, scan it. Take this prototype's data and compare it to the standard version. Well, that matches up. Now let's check the emotions. No, you're shy. Oh no, you're worried and or not crying. Oh, you're in love. Specimen successfully shows emotion. Now time to test behavior. Up. Woo! Around. Wee! And down. Okay, pull the lever up. That's the skin. Pass her a box of clothes. There you go. That's it. See those lights on top? One of them turned green, which means we did it right. Your turn. I'll be back when all the lights turn green. Good luck. Well, I shouldn't judge you by your cover. Well, that lines up. You're shy. Yeah, Up, around, and down. Okay, now, I know that this says red eyes mean X, but it passed all the tests. Everything passed. Hi. See? You seem totally fine. There you go. See? Everything's fine. Let me get a good look at you. Nothing weird about you, huh? That's not the right version. How's your emotions? Up and around and get down because you're about to go straight to hell. Hi. Damn! Is that the wire outline of a butt? Anyway, whatever. I don't feel like objectifying a robot at this point. Any other day, of course, I'd be objectifying all the robots. Hi, are you okay? Oh, that's me arm! That's me arm! Ow. Oh my god. Infinite indeed. Infinite indeed. Ah, you didn't tell me that you came through the door? Why didn't you tell me you came through the door? Now, shut the door on your own dick. Please. Damn, I'm smart. God damn my brain. Oh, it's opposite of smooth. Whatever the opposite of smooth is, cratered. My brain is full of craters. It's not smooth at all. It's got deep fissures, canyons, and lots of meteorite impacts. Oh, rather complicated door opener. Ooh. What do you mean? What? Yeah, you did. The cannon, huh? Yeah, I don't need to ask any questions. I got it. Let's go. You say cannon, I say, show me where the trigger is. Also, how do I operate this thing? Sure, hope a fridge didn't come flying. Nothing really. I was there, ready, waiting, eager. Don't drop another fridge on me. Oh, I'm not looking up your skirt. What was that? That would have been weirder if I was just looking up your skirt. I'm not gonna do it. I'll objectify robots, but you've got enough synthetic skin on you that my monkey brain's confused. I need more craters in my brain to be able to logic my way through this conundrum. So you stay there, unless you're throwing a fridge. Coward. Hey! Come any closer. Do you need help? Why? I kinda liked it. Here you go, Mita. Cheer up, Buttercup. Look at this. You're welcome. This ain't one of those traps, is it? Oh. No, 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 no. Sleepy Mita? Oh, so sleepy. Mita, 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 Mita!